Okay, we have a complex number problem here. We're asked to divide 29 minus 29i by 7 plus 3i. Let's do this on the CASIO. The CASIO, you need to go into a special mode to do this problem, or menu, special menu, I guess. So hit the menu key, and it brings us up. Let's go to this one here, which has an I for imaginary. You could also type a 2 on the keyboard. Go into that mode. Notice there's a little I right here reminding us that we're in this special mode or menu. And now we can type in our problem. And I hit the fraction key. Now I type in 29 minus 29. The I is not obvious at all. It's purple and it's above this ENG key. Since we're in the imaginary mode, we don't have to do anything. We just hit this ENG key and it puts an I. We go down to our denominator. 7 plus 3i equal. Our answer is 2 minus 5i.